What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. I'm back here with Worldwide RV, and today we're going to be doing an in-depth review and look at Jayco's by far most popular floor plan. This is the Jayco JayFlight 267BHSW, and it's been the best-selling Jayco floor plan for quite a few years now, and I could truly see why. So I want to give you an in-depth look at just why it is and why it's so valuable in the marketplace. Let's go ahead and take a look. So let's start with the why. What makes this the most popular floor plan by Jayco? Well, starting off, it's just over 30 feet overall, 30 feet and 3 inches, sleeps up to 8 people, and all that weighs under 8,000 pounds, 7,600 to be exact. Inside, I want to do a quick walkthrough of the exterior. As you can see on the back, you're going to have a spare tire carrier, a standard roof ladder, along with backup camera prep up there, and that's also prepped for the side cameras. And then coming along, you have the J-port system, which is a little exterior table so that you can mount the included single burner griddle. And then your absolutely massive outside kitchen. This has a Coolidge mini fridge along with a tons of counter space with a little bit of storage in these drawers down here. And then as you look above, you're going to get a nice 15-foot awning up above, outdoor speakers that are waterproof. And then since this is the Baja edition or the West, you actually get off-road Wrangler tires along with flipped axles underneath, which are going to give you more ground clearance. You have 110 outlets along with the TV setup, so you could actually mount a TV to the outside and hook it up to those speakers. You're going to get standard Lippert hard steps, standard in all Jaycos from now on, along with a pass-through storage up front and a rock-solid stabilizer system. If you don't know about these rock-solid systems, go ahead and watch my video on those. Those things make manual jacks 10 times better compared to the older versions. Moving along up front, you're going to get dual 30-pound LP tanks along with an automatic Lippert front jack. And then on this side, you're going to get the other side of your pass-through storage, some cool Baja logoing. Obviously, all your standards, so go ahead and take a pause here if you would like to look at those. And then the slide, which is quite large, comes out about 3 feet and about 10 feet long. On the back side, you're going to get outside shower, along with another cable TV input. And back to the end. Well, let's go ahead and check out inside because that's really what you're getting this unit for. So as you can see, I'm on the roof of the Jayco now. And the reason I'm able to do that is because of our 4,500 pound rated Magnum Truss roof system. So whether you're getting compacted by snow or even if a tree falls on your trailer, you'll be safe and sound inside. Right here, you're going to have a 15,000 BTU AC. And then this white box here is your Winegard Air 360 system. This is going to allow Wi-Fi and 4G capabilities while traveling. And then over here, you have a 200-watt solar panel along with a 30-amp solar controller. And that's really what I think makes this unit so popular, is being able to go off the beaten path. You don't have to be hooked into shore power all the time. You have 76 gallons of freshwater capacity. So really, this is good for our dry campers and doing all that while being able to sleep 8 people and being under 8,000 pounds. I think that's what really sells this trailer. But let's go to the next important thing, and that's the floor plan. As you step inside the 267, first thing on your left-hand side is going to be the kitchen area. As you can see, you have tons of counter space, which allows for a whole lot more storage underneath and above, along with standard things like this high-point microwave, a 3-burner cooktop by Furrion, and even this nice 12-volt Everchill refrigerator. This thing is surprisingly large for the size. And then even more storage in the pantry over here. On the opposing side, you have your couch, which does pull out into a bed, and your dinette that also converts into a sleeping area with storage underneath. And this truly is how you're going to be able to sleep so many people with such an open floor plan. And then you get small things like these USB outlets being placed right here compared to underneath the table. It doesn't seem like a big deal, but it makes a world of difference when you're actually camping in these units. Right in the middle of the trailer, you have your TV and coffee bar area. So you have a 32-inch smart TV along with storage above and below. And then actually this connectivity system, which allows Bluetooth, FM, and AM for both the inside and outside speakers. And as you can see, you have entrances to the bedroom on both sides, to your queen bed, storage on either side, along with dual reading lights that are individually controlled. Doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is, trust me. And then you had added storage up there in the headboard. But having this dual entry in the bedroom truly is awesome, and it allows you to get tons of privacy just like that. So as you can see, now both the doors are shut, and this is going to allow privacy. So whether the kids are sleeping out here or even playing games, you have a private area in the bedroom to not be bothered. Right past the dinette, you have your AC controls, along with two double wide bunks. And oftentimes you're going to see these rated at 300 pounds. But in the Jaycos, our double wide bunks are rated up to 600 pounds each. So you can not only sleep people up there, but do it very comfortably and not have to worry about anything falling. Over here, you have your standard sink area, storage below and in the medicine cabinet. And then into the bathroom. This is where you're going to have things like your shower, toilet. And I really think they just designed this area super well, where they're not taking up a lot of space, but can fit a lot of things. That's 4 people sleeping right there, along with complete bathroom area in roughly 10 feet of space. That's good design work by Jayco. So what do you guys think about the new 2024 Jayco 267BHSW? W meaning West, aka it has the Baja package, which is going to give you that 76-gallon freshwater capacity, 60 pounds of propane, things like that. Is this unit for you? Well, let me tell you, if you're looking for a unit under 8,500 pounds, which is where a lot of trucks' towing abilities kind of set around, then this could be great for you. 7,600 pounds, so you still have that 900 gap, which is where you want to be when purchasing a trailer. And you're getting all this fully equipped just as it is for under $55,000 MSRP. And here at Worldwide RV, we have these things going for a massive discount. And you can see why it's our most popular unit. You're getting all that, a good sized trailer with tons of sleeping capacity, the ability to go off the beaten path and camp out and dry, tons of BLM land, things like that, all for only $50,000. So come on down to Worldwide RV today. We're located at 4660 East Main Street, right between Higley and Greenfield, or simply give us a call if you're interested. That's going to be 480-832-5600. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.